Is the chemical origin of life, abiogenesis, a realistic scenario? Well, this is a response to it from Rich Dean, which you can probably see him on the internet here. Let's look at the origin of life. There are two possibilities for the origin of life. One, spontaneous assembly of life from chemicals, or two, God did it. If you deny the existence of God, scientific studies demonstrate you must believe each of the following things about the origin of life. Scientific facts. Homochirality somehow arose in the sugars and amino acids of prebiotic soups, although there is no mechanism in which this can occur and is in fact prohibited by the second law of thermodynamics, law of entropy. The solution? Reject the second law of thermodynamics. In the absence of enzymes, there is no chemical reaction that produces the sugar ribose. Well, the backbone of RNA and DNA. The solution? Discard chemical data, science of the gaps. Chemical reactions in prebiotic soups produce other sugars and prevent RNA and DNA replication. Solution? Discard chemistry data, science of the gaps. Pyrimidine nucleosides, cytosine, and the uracil do not form under prebiotic conditions, and only purine, adenine, and guanine nucleosides are found in carbonaceous meteorites, i.e. pyrimidine nucleosides don't form in outer space either. Solution: discard chemistry data, science of the gaps. Even if a method for formation of pyrimidine nucleosides could be found, the combination of nucleosides with phosphates under prebiotic conditions produces not only nucleotides, but other products which interfere with RNA polymerization and replication. Solution: discard chemistry data, science of the gaps. Purine and pyrimidine nucleotides, nucleosides combined with phosphate groups do not form under prebiotic conditions. Solutions: chemistry data, discard chemistry data, science of the gaps. Neither RNA nor DNA can be synthesized in the absence of enzymes. In theory, an RNA replicase could exist and code for its own replication. The first synthesized RNA replicase was 4 times longer than any RNA that could form spontaneously. In addition, it was able to replicate only 16 base pairs at most, so it couldn't even replicate itself. So what you got here is science of the gaps. Enzymes cannot be synthesized in the absence of RNA and ribosomes. Science of the gaps. Nucleosides and amino acids cannot form in the presence of oxygen, which is now known to have been present on the Earth for at least 4 billion years, although life arose at least 3.5 billion years ago. Discard geological data, discard chemistry data. Adenine synthesis requires unreasonable HCN concentrations. Adenine deanimates with a half-life of 80 years at 37 centigrade, pH 7. Therefore, adenine would never accumulate in any kind of prebiotic soup. The adenine-uracil interaction is weak and non-specific, and therefore would never be expected to function in any specific recognition scheme under the chaotic conditions of a prebiotic soup. Solution: discard chemistry data. Cystosine has never been found in any meteorites, nor is it produced in electric spark discharge experiments using simulated early Earth atmospheres. All possible intermediates suffer severe problems. Intermediates suffer, they all suffer severe problems. Cystosine deanimates with an estimated half-life of 340 years, so would not be expected to accumulate over time. Ultraviolet light on the early Earth would quickly convert cystosine to its photohydrate and cyclobutane photodimers, which rapidly deanimate. So the solution is discard geological data, discard chemistry data. Mixture of amino acids. I don't even know this word. Murchison meteorite show that there are many classes of prebiotic substances that would disrupt the necessary structural regularity of any RNA-like replicator. Metabolic replicators suffer from a lack of an ability to evolve since they do not mutate. Solution: discard chemistry data. The most common abiogenesis theories claim that life arose at hydrothermal vents in the ocean. Tell me about it. However, recent studies show that polymerization of the molecules necessary for cell membrane assembly cannot occur in seawater. Other studies show that the early oceans were at least twice as salty as they are now. Solution: life arose in freshwater ponds, even though the Earth had very little land mass, using some unknown mechanism. Comparison of the dates of meteor impacts on the Moon, Mercury, and Mars indicates that at least 30 catastrophic meteor impacts must have occurred on the Earth from 3.8 to 3.5 billion years ago. These impacts were at such large size that the energy released would have vaporized the entirety of the Earth's oceans, destroying all life. Solution: life spontaneously arose by chance at least 30 separate times, each within a period of 10 million years. Complex bacterial life, oxygenetic photosynthesis had appeared by 3.7 billion years ago, leaving virtually no time for prebiotics to evolve into the first life forms. Solution: discard evidence.